Today we're going to learn how to connect this contactor in such a way that it will maintain the latch or self hold on. Okay, so with this contactor we have normally open. Okay, with this contactor we have normally open, which is the auxiliary contact. Okay, so we are going to use this auxiliary contact to do the self hold on, but before then we need to draw a diagram. Okay, so we have this stop push button, then the start push button. So we do this, the drawing like this, which is normally close. Okay, and then we do also the normally open. Okay, so this one is normally open. Okay, so now with this contactor we need to okay, so this also A1 A2 of the contactor. Okay, so with here we say L1, with here we say neutral. Okay, so this contactor here need to receive live and then neutral. Okay, so now we need a hold on contact here. So with this place we can do a branch like this. Okay, then it also come like this. It's a normally open of the contactor. So this, let's say this is our start, then this is the stop. Okay, so now we need hold on or normally open here of the contactor. So now this basically how we do the drawing. Okay, so now we need to connect it in such a way that this contactor here will maintain the latch. So we quickly do the wiring and see how it works. Okay, all right, so guys, we start with the wiring. Okay, so this is the stop push button. So it goes to the start push button. All right, so this is it. Now from the start push button, it will go to, let's A1, okay, or A2. All right, but I think I will use the A2. So from there I will connect from the start push button to A2. Okay, so now we need a cable, we need a power cable to the push button. Okay, so we connect the After we finish with the push button, now we need a neutral to A1. Okay, all right, so now we have connected a neutral to A1. Okay, so now guys, we need to energize it and see how it works. So guys, after we connect, now we need to energize it and see how it works. So when you press the push button like this, it's supposed to hold on. Okay, so when I press the push button, you see that the contactor remain inside. Okay, it have been energized and it remain inside. As soon as I take off my hand, then it goes off. So now we want a contactor to hold on by itself, okay, to maintain the latch. So now what do? We need a control cable that will make this guy to hold on. Okay, so this is basically how we do connect a hold on contact for the contactor to remain inside. Okay, so when I press start button, I need to still keep on pressing for this guy to hold on, but we want to do it in a way that it will work automatic by itself. Do the holding on, and then you can use the push the stop push button to off it. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, based on the diagram, okay, we have the start here, and then the stop here have to go to normally open of the contactor. So we will do that now. Okay, so now this from the start, so we can connect it from A2. Okay, then you see the normally open of the contactor, you connect to it. After you finish this part, then you need also to connect from the stop button here. You need a power from the stop button here, so that as soon as you energize it, there will be a flow of current. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to my channels and also press the like button. And if you have anything to share with me, you can write on the comment section. Okay, all right, so guys, now you connect the power also to the other side of the normally open. So this is how it look like. Okay, so this is it. So when this guy release, because there is a power from the stop button, if it energized like this, there will be a flow of current to A2. As how we do the hold on contact, we want when this guy energized, there will be a flow of current to A2. Okay, because if this guy is not connected, if this control cable is not connected to A2, as soon as I press it, and I take off my hand, it will de-energize. But we want it to do the self hold on or work automatic without any human interference. So when the operator energize the push button like this, then it do the self hold on. Okay, so guys, we'll try to energize it and see how it works. So now, when immediately you press the push button like this, now it remain inside. Okay, basically it means that now there is a flow of current from normally open here to A2. So now when the operator want to off the machine, then you use the push button, which is the off button here, to off it. Okay, so the moment you press the off button, you see that the current that flows from this stop button to the normally open, the current will cut off. So there will not be flow of current or flow of electricity. So now let's say we want to connect it to a motor, and we want the motor to work independently without any human interference. Now you need a hard wiring, which is the power section. Then you connect your power. If it is three phase motor, you connect phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Then the output of it, you give it to the motor, phase 1, phase 2, then phase 3. So the moment you energize it, there will be a flow of current to the motor, and then the motor will start running. So this is basically how to do self hold on. Guys, subscribe to my video and also press the like button, and God bless us all. Thank you.